Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 32 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page for you to ask him questions, and he answers them. We also look at them, and then we're going to dispel the myths, the rumors, and all the weird lies that are out there. In today's episode, we're talking about the digital debarkation process and the Terrazza deck at 7 p.m.? Huh. And why can't I bring my fan on the ship? Speaking of fans, the next one is about key cards and air conditioning, and the last is about gift cards on the cruise. Question 1. With the new digital debarkation process, if you are priority, such as platinum, diamond, faster to the fun, suite guest, do you have to do the digital debarkation process? Can you please elaborate? He said no, you don't. So if you are a priority member of any of those, you don't have to do the digital debarkation. In the days prior to the end of your cruise, you will receive a letter with the luggage tags in your zone. So you don't have to do the digital debarkation if you are platinum, diamond, faster to the fun suites. And you gotta do it. And it went good on the last cruise because they started it for us, and we didn't have to do it, and it went super quick. It was great. Question 2. This person said, John, please say you misspoke. You said that the Terrazza deck on Firenze is open to all guests after 7 p.m. That deck, what they're referring to, is similar to the Havana areas, which is closed to Havana wristbands only. So it's a paid upgrade. Please say it ain't so, they said. So John said both the Firenze and the Venezia have these areas, and they are open to the publics later at night. So on a Havana cabin area, you have to have that wristband to get out there. On the two new ships, you do not. So he didn't say a time, he didn't confirm 7 p.m., but he said later in the evening it is open to all guests. So keep that in mind when trying to book one of these upgraded cabins. So this one is near and dear to my own heart because I love a fan. They thought they had said John said that fans were allowed on the ship. When they just sailed on the Vista recently, they got called to security because their fan got confiscated. And John said they are absolutely allowed. If it was taken, it should not have been, as long as, and here is the key, it is under 12 inches in diameter and in good condition. If it looks old, ratty, or could potentially be a fire hazard, they're not going to allow it. But if it is under 12 inches and in good condition, you can bring a fan. We have one. It's a little 9-inch bullet fan. I think it's called Vornado or Vnado or something like that. Folds up, fits nicely in the luggage, and we've never gotten it confiscated. So make sure it's under 12 inches, make sure it doesn't look like ship, and you'll be just fine. This one is interesting as well. We know you have to put your key card in the slot in your room on certain ships in order to turn the lights on. Rumor has it, and I've seen this in plenty of places, oh, if you don't put your key card in, they're going to shut your air conditioning off. John's answer, lies, straight lies, absolutely not true. So the key card has absolutely nothing to do with the air conditioning. Pull that puppy out, go enjoy your evening. Your air conditioning will be on when you get back to the room. That's it. Next question. They're asking why they can only use $2,000 worth of gift cards on their cruise. This particular person was a big spender in the casino, and they love getting the gift cards at a discount. We do it through AARP. Yeah, we're that old. Sorry. But anybody can actually do it. But you get 10% off the gift cards. So if you're spending, $5 grand on a casino, you're saving yourself $500. That's a lot of money. Why, he asked, is there a limitation of $2,000 for each cruise? Easy answer, fraud. That simple. Many of occasions they've come across where people have stolen credit cards. They buy a ton of gift cards and then they use them on the cruise. They do it everywhere, not just on a cruise. So the simple answer is, due to fraud protection, they have stopped it at $2K, so people aren't encouraged to steal more stuff and do more illegal crap. So while it's nice to save some money, we have to protect everybody involved, and that's where we are. Thanks for watching. Take care.